Hi, we here to introduce a very important, interesting topic, which is big data analytics. We have we have offer introduced from Coegil. Coegil is big data analytics, and we have offer to it. Big data analytics plays a very important role in our life cycle now. It changes the business life cycle from the traditional ways to some analytics and based on collecting data from different sources. These sources may be structured data or unstructured data, and make some correlation and apply artificial intelligence to get out with new insight for business, for new business. We here We have our bank in Egypt. Egypt is a very big country. It's around 108 million people. Offering the bank here offer financial services for traders and portals and focus on SMEs segment. Beside retail service, we look forward to change the business life cycle and enhance our customer experience. Based on data analytics and business intelligence, develop automated real-time fees over some product based on artificial intelligence. Big data analytics and big build of golden data, good data lake and develop enhanced market campaign on this, and enhance our regulator to the regulators. First of all, we have to understand well what is the benefits of data analytics and the drawbacks. If we go through big data analytics, it can introduce a very fantastic service that's real-time values based on analytics of different sources, with structure or not structure, and recommends the proper value without any human intervention. It's very important to the customer. Another thing that it enhance business process, reporting internal decisions, understand customer behavior trends. Based on these analytics, we can enhance this service too. One of the drawbacks of big data analytics, because it depends on different sources, either regulated and non-regulated, structured or non-structured, maybe the data quality is not that good, and maybe data security is not that secure. And of course, same is for data governance and management. You have to know where we can get our data and where we can use it. Another thing is very important for the benefits that apply artificial intelligence, which is inspired, but it needs intensive compute power and storage, so as and electric feeding and cooling in order to have proper artificial intelligence output. Another thing that drawbacks that these solutions is very complex and costly, so it have to be studied very well before going to further steps. Another important topic in big data analytics is cloud compute. Big data analytics needs compute and storage network. So we have three options: either to depend on cloud compute or on premises compute, or hybrid, which is hybrid between on cloud and on prem. We will go through to understand well what is the benefits of cloud compute and drawbacks, what's the benefits and drawbacks of on-site compute, and we can understand from them the third option, hybrid. First of all, the main benefit from going to cloud compute is pay as you go. You do not need initial high cost. You can rent what you need from compute processing and storage network that suits your business requirements at the first step. This is saves the initial cost and save your capital. The on-prem, the cloud compute has some drawbacks, which is security, because your data is outside your hands, and maybe if latency introduced to that you need to connect to this cloud through additional network lines. On-prem solution have benefit of security and securing our data, and you don't not need lines with additional latency to connect your data. But the main drawback of on-premise is the high initial cost. You need high initial cost to buy servers and coprocessor nodes, storage, and etc. On the other hand, you have to hire additional IT engineers to skilled and very skilled to operate your on-prem cloud. The high part is combination between this, and the trade-off between this and this. Another important note that we have to take in consideration is in some very cold states, they take it as advantage to save the cooling cost that is needed to the processor. I see from some cases that they build data center in North Pole, in Norway state, to save the cooling power, which is very advantage point. We get use of the natural low cooling weather temperature. Let's return to our players. Our players, Coegil. Coegil have three main competitors in the market. They are very competitors, good competitors too. Proprietary artificial intelligence, first one, pre-QL, and good data. Proprietary artificial intelligence operates as a software development platform for data security and privacy. It uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to extract insights. All the four players are specialized in big data analytics, by the way. PreQL offers data transformation solution to enable business user to make the combination of data from different sources. Good data specialized in data analytics solutions. The company provide a platform to enable the creation of customized data products, offering advanced and interactive analytic capabilities. These products allow user to explore data, create interactive dashboards. We go on a comparison between the four, but I would like to attract your eyes to the fourth slide, which is total capital raised. We could see that Coegil raised its capital to 167.8. Vice versa, the others are average between 7 and 8 only. For our information, that Coegil spent only on 8 employees, which reflects that this vendor is very skilled, have good visibility to the market, and introduce good insights in the industries that they have entered in their analytics. Let's move to another important point is data cloud processing versus security. Security, if we introduce more security, this could lead to lower efficiency. So it's very important to ensure the service level required for our customer and ensure fantastic customer experience in our applications and services, to introduce the security with the proper way and not affecting the processing and the services introduced to us. How we could do this? If we neglect the security, this could lead to breach, and this could lead to data breaching. But if we neglect security, this is not good. And how to trade off between efficiency and security? So we have to introduce first the proper and important security barriers and policies to save our data. But in the same time, we have to raise up our resources not only for service level, but to serve the additional requirements for security layers that is added on the data to ensure that the service level, and we have to measure KPIs to ensure that the service level not affecting before and after adding the security layers. Our action plan, we see that the Coegil offer is acceptable and is very important, and we have to depend on it, and we have to build in our in-house team at the same time. Second, important that we have to prepare for the full portfolio. Phase one is opening account online, know your customers, issue cards, and prepare a real-time pricing policy for our services that need this kind of service. And enhance our internal report and decision making based on advancing our reporting system and analytic data from many sources. Phase two, if this one succeed, we can go on acquiring Coegil and be one unit with our bank to offer advanced financial services and issue loans and checkups online. Conclusion, Egypt is very big market. It have 108 population, 50 million internet user, 40 million Facebook user, beside 27 smartphones, which is very attractive market. This is a big opportunity for FinTech to spread and make the difference. Based on the available opportunity and it is time to market, eBank have to adopt Coegil as it is doing well in the last few years and make significant difference in market of data science, and you can save time and effort by this acquisition. This is the only vendor between its competitors that makes significant risk up in the previous years, which is very clear to make clear through up in our financial business in this acquisition. Thank you.